Hey there, boys and girls. All right, here we are, day number 17. Number 1, if 48 green jelly beans are shared equally by 6 friends, how many does each friend get? Write the equation. Okay, so basically what we're looking at here is we're going to split 48 and we're going to divide that equally with 6 people. So 48 divided by 6 equals 8. 6 times 8 equals 48. They each get 8 jelly beans. Green jelly beans. All right. Number 2. Fill in numbers to make this true. Okay. Now, if it's the same denominator, meaning the bottom number, right? The bottom number's denominator, and that is the total number of equal parts in 1. So, if we have the same numerator, which we do in this one, same numerator is like 4 over 8 is half, and 4 over 12, the pieces are smaller, right? So, let's see. What is less than? Let's just go 4 over 8. 4 eighths is less than 4, let's see, that has to be a bigger number, right? Like 10, 9, 10? No? It's the other way? Yes, that's right. Denominators, the larger the denominator, the smaller the piece, right? Like if we're cutting a pizza into 2 pieces, you got this much pizza. It's a huge, you got half of the whole pizza, right? But if you cut it into 16 pieces, you get a tiny little shrivelly piece, right? You don't get hardly any of it. So if we want the smaller number, we want less than. So this one here has to be a larger number than this. So say 4 fives is almost a whole, right? 4 fourths would be 1 whole. 4 fifths, that's 4 out of the 5 pieces. So 8 pieces, that's less than 5 pieces, technically, right? Because think about the size of the piece, right? Okay. Number 3. Leprechaun's favorite hiding place. Ooh, I didn't know that. So we have a hollow log and a small cave and tree roots. Okay. Where are you most likely to find a leprechaun? And this is the total number of votes. So which one would be the most likely place? That would be the one with the most tally marks, which would be the small cave, right? All right. Oh, here we go again. Crossword puzzle, except it's a number puzzle. 300 minus 125. Okay, more on the floor. We have to borrow from next door. There's nothing there to borrow from, so let's make there something to borrow from. Okay, now 0 minus 5 we still can't do, but I have 10 tens, so I'm going to change that to 9. And now I have 10 ones. We had to borrow twice on that. 10 minus 5 is 5. And 9 minus 2 is 7. And 2 minus 1 is 1. So this is 1 down, and the number is 175. Now I'm going to work across. Well, 2 plus nothing is 2. 7 plus nothing is 7. 2 plus 4 is 6. So here we have 672. All right. Make a bar graph using the data from this table. Okay, so let's label it here. We have leprechaun's favorite hiding place. Okay, over here, let's go hollow log. And then we're going to go small cave and tree roots. All right, 5, 10, 11, 12. So we got, this one has 12 total. So let's go like this. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then we're going to go this way and that way. So we have 0. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then there's 11 and 12. Okay, so the hollow log would have 8, right? So all we see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Small cave has 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And tree roots, only 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you can fill them in a little nicer if you want, but that's pretty good, right? So this is the place, and here we have the numbers, number of oats. One thing I didn't care about my graph though is I always like to have one that's empty, so I'm going to add that onto that yet. The reason I like to have one of them at the top or more is, do we know if it really stops at 12 then, if it doesn't go past 12? Like we did because we have the data, right? But if you don't see that, it might be a little tricky. So that's getting pretty particular on that. But I still kind of like to see it. You know what I mean? So, all right, we'll see you tomorrow for day 18, and then 19, and then 20. So only 3 more days.